Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you were watching my previous video, hashtag Mandeville Parish Church by Michael Allen, you would have seen where Ben and Joe came from England, Symington Derby, England, to have our clock installed. But we got held up, so we did not get it on time. So they're back now from Symington Derby. They're now going to introduce themselves. Thanks for watching. Both introduce yourself, please.
My name's Joe from Smith Derby.
Your name is?
My name's Ben, also from Smith Derby.
Okay.
At long last, we've got your dial back all the way from Derby, England, back to Mandeville. Been restored to its original colour of black and gold. Real gold leaf, 23.5 carat, which is clockmaking standard. And we're looking forward to getting it back in its home.
What Joel and myself is going to do this morning, we're going to now assist Joe and Ben to get those flooring board up so we can take the face of the clock along with the body to the space that Joe and Ben can have it installed. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.
Okay. Cut the rope off and brought it back in. So yeah, you could be right, because there are fixings on the outside of the door.
That's it, I guarantee that doesn't work in this hole.
It shouldn't fall off anyway. Let's go try a bit tight.
Look, if the... is the nut
Hey,
on the inside?
it's okay.
Have you got it? If you let it loose. Try and get it as level as possible before putting it in.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more content. So guys, this is actually modern technology with old technology. So we'll once more hear the bell in the center of our town, striking every hour, if we choose to do so. It's modern technology mixing with old technology. Because the body of the clock, we took it down and then it was packed in a crate, what you're looking at there, and sent to England, and they refurbished that section along with their modernized technology and send it back to us. So we are now looking at the solar section there that will be getting its energy from the sun. So Ben, this box is called the charging.
Yeah, this is the charge controller for the solar panels, and it also holds the batteries.
Okay. That's our solar panel for the clock. So Ben, will it have any lightning rods in case of lightning?
You're not really at risk of damage from lightning.
Huh?
You're not at risk of damage from lightning.
Okay.
There's nothing's external.
Okay.
And also
Okay.
you've got a lightning rod already on the
Yeah,
church.
yeah,
So
yeah.
if it's going to strike, it'll strike that first.
Okay. Because lightning frequent in this part of the island.
It's quite humid, isn't it?
Yes. So this is just a.
That's an actuator, and that pulls the hammer off the bell, so it silences the clock.
Okay, wow.
If you want it to stop striking for whatever reason.
You just
Like that, that's how it will be normally.
yeah.
There won't be much slack, so it will keep hitting the bell, and then when it comes down, when it turns on and comes down, it pulls the hammer away from the bell, so it can't strike.
Okay, that's the one on top there now.
Yeah, the one that's up there.
Okay, so this controls the striking of the bell.
That's it.
Okay, alright. Okay.
I spoke to Roy Dow because he doesn't want it to stop during the night, because
Yeah.
he only wants it to stop during the service.
Yeah.
So we just need to find out from him what times he wants it to do.
Okay, so you can actually time it.
Yeah, you can program it to
You program it
on
to-
here, yeah.
Okay. What time it must strike and what time it must not.
That's it, yeah.
Okay. So can it do like every hour it gives a strike? Every hour it's going to give a strike?
Yeah, basically it will only turn on when you want it to stop striking. If that makes sense. So you program in the times during the week you want it to not make a noise.
Yes. So like it says it's at 1 o'clock. It strike one time, 2 o'clock is two times, is it?
Yeah, that's what the clock does, yeah.
Wow. So if 3 o'clock it does three times,
Three
three
times,
strikes.
yeah.
Okay, lovely. Alright. Okay. And you're saying this is now. Can you tell me what this is?
So these are automatic winders,
Yes.
and rather than having someone come up every week and wind up the two sides of the clock,
Yes.
the go inside, which controls the timekeeping, and the strike side, which does what we just spoke about and hits the bell.
Yes.
These will do that job for you. So
Okay.
it's replace someone.
Okay. So that's modern technology now.
Modern technology with old technology.
Yeah, with old technology. Okay,
Yeah.
good, lovely.
And that will basically fully automate what's going on with the clock.
Okay. And this, I think Joe tells me what this is yesterday. He says that
So
this.
that's the pendulum. That's what governs the timekeeping.
Okay.
So it'll do, I think it's 1 second. And that's what keeps time.
Yeah. All right.
So you know you get an accurate time on the outside.
Okay. So you're doing a pull it there.
Yeah, so that'll go.
Okay.
Weight line's going that way. Just got to put this in there.
That's it for now, guys. This is part 1. You can see me in the next episode, part 2. Or you can find me on YouTube. That's a conclusion, which is #clock Mandeville Parish Church. Thanks for watching.